Kublai pi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentakasni kilong. Pensyai uba titos tarwel halor ke jingkeno sarong UCEM. Penlong ke DCIC Ribhoy yaka Capacity Building Workshop halor ke skim Unnati Arajar Akusal. Daka rally cycle laban priang yaka Khubor persya yaka jing di drok hanokpo ban Ud UMDC bariku parsen rem yaka jingmi kitit trading license. Bat mentah ini abhai shiki Khubor ki bakambanya. Pensyai ubat titos tarwel khan halor ke jing keno pasarong UCM haba ulawanra yaka jing terwa ban penkela yaka service rule jong kidong tre ke KGDC. Uba titos tarwel ulaong haba uwanra yakni ke jing terwa kamut ba udawa ban wenglut hendrei utmu bandang yai beteng ke jing yatai nia basani berbajanai halor kitugi kendon jong ki service rule. Kani ke jing dawa jong uba titos kamlong satia kababean ulaong. Ulaong ru kedai ti bat ke kamram jong unong mi khmat patba ban dawa jing batai babnya na kinong yalam ke isi jong ke KGDC. Bat halor ke jing keno UCEM ba unang yalam liang persya udai ubreu ubas ngau sarong bat bamburom ya ke jing trei shitom ka isi. Na kaliang uba titos khan pat ulaong kani ke jing kren kalong kababakla. Ka jing mi no na yeng dorbar house lengba ke jing kli cut motion kadai ke dustur procedure jong ka yeng dorbar sensyar patba ulaong.
House buat kajing bumi olat jung pi banyak tai atau sing po house
kajing sya nak kalian jonga dengan sempet perkat bat kami lenti bahkan mi kum ketua statement nah ECM lembaga ketua jingja ke baca pada district council kadai ka normal situation kaba haka partai demokrasi kamtam haka ri ke jongi na pipet ha parliament na pet ha po state assembly kadon be kini ka jingya debate ke khlut jingya debate ke khlut kani ka beauty ha jing sha jong ka demokrasi ka bangi ong ka parliamentary demokrasi ha ka mangi kum ki nomi khmat ki bala jet upai ba ha bangi don kanu ka bangi kwa ban penpau kamut ka ying dor ba tawai na ne ka house ka dei ka jaka ko biang mani keren but haka juga poru la ai la ru ya ki ruling party haba ki don kinu ki mat ki ba ki kwa ban wan ra ki hab ban wan ra kat kum ki rule and procedure and conduct of business trong ka house hapo district council ka rukom ka long ba ka ruling ka juan ra ya ki bill ka ju present ni ka budget but ka kamram chung ki we pat ki member ki badai ki bamdan ha ka estate committee la ka long na ka yang sensar ni na ka yang persya ka don ka right e ka bangi haban bu jing kali ya ka bau chairman jong ka council ubalong kung speaker uju ayangi ka por ka badabu da ka fixed time hakaba lakum no si benai shwa ke in haban submit yaki application ki jongi yaki question ki jongi mo te ka jingbu jongi yaki jing kebi kalong banyo yaki information ban sutu ya karupam trikam jong ke isi haki department ki prepare te data kani kalenti ka ba ngi kum ki member ki Jylla but habang bu ke jing kali kamot ba ngi wo daw ya kanu ke isi habang ibu jing kali kamot ngi wat ya ki jing tip ngi wat ki information ki bale sing ngi ki member ngim tip namar ngim don ha ke isi ngim jutip ke isi ka trekam kumnu like no ka bami ha ki lat sai Khubor te ka kamram ka jungi ki member but through ka process ya ka bala bu renti da ka edi rules ba ngin bu iki jing kali bangin yo cuba te haba hakimi ki kenta jong ka jing kali lada ki member ki bakali jing kali lani ki babu supplementary kimyo ya ka juba ka basutna lani ka basyai kadai ka kamram ka jongi ban pi shiti
Ka District Commerce and Industry Center DCIC Ribhoy hakar pusau tarik Jylliew kala penlong ya ka capacity building workshop halor ka scheme unnati arhajar arpusau uta purva transformative industrialization scheme nagabenta kinong bay pisa investor bat kinong sengkam sengjam hapo district. Kani ka workshop ka long ban ai jing tip ka babania halor ki jing mentoy ki kendon prekam bat kilat jing arab ki badan hapo kani ka scheme bala turwa da ka sorkar India. Ka scheme munati arhajar arpusau kadai ka way na ki scheme bakongsan ban kentiu ya ka roy ka pa hakaliang ki karkhana hakathan chate lamingi daga batmu ban kring ki nong be pisa ban kentiu ya ki kam khayi pateng bat ban thau ya ki lat yo kam yo jam. Lengba kani ka scheme kinong bay pisa kinla banyo jing mentoy lengba ki jingerap pisa kum ki subsidy jingerap hakasut airam ki jing mentoy bayade berka goods and service tax GST bat ki way ki jinat Hakani ka program ladon lang uba si Lingdo Deputy Director Planning Department uba GFW Pariat General Manager DCIC Ribhoy rengkat ki officer naka Department for Promotion of Industries and Internal Trade DPIIT New Delhi ki bala ai jing pensyai halor ki benta bapher jong ka scheme bat ki lat jing arab ki bala penkre da ka sarkar India.
Through financial assistance, there is capacity building and institutional support. The scheme aims to transform promising business ideas into successful enterprises. For a state like Meghalaya, where youths and our investors have immense talent, creativity and entrepreneurial skills, the Unnati scheme presents a significant opportunity. Our strengths, which comprises in agriculture, food processing, tourism, handicrafts, handlooms, information technology, renewable energy, and other emerging sectors, can be leveraged across the state to create a vibrant local enterprises and contribute to the state's economic growth. But my genuine request that the success of this scheme totally depends not only on financial support, but also on its effective implementation. That is why today's capacity building workshop is very, very important. That's what I initially believe, is that it provides a platform for all of you, especially my dear investors who are present today and those potential investors who are still in the pipeline, to get a first-hand knowledge and awareness on how to implement the scheme. And it also provides all our stakeholders to gain a clear understanding of the scheme's objectives, its eligibility criteria, its operational guidelines, and its best practices. So I encourage, on behalf of the Department of Commerce and Industries, to make the most use of this workshop by actively engaging with our resource persons from DPIIT, asking questions, sharing your experiences, and discussing practical solutions to our implementing challenges. Our collective effort will ensure that the benefit of the scheme reaches our deserving entrepreneurs in a timely and transparent manner. Let us work together to create an ecosystem that nurtures entrepreneurship, supports innovation, and empowers our youth and investors to become job creators rather than job seekers. By doing so, we will not only strengthen individual livelihoods, but also contribute to the sustainable economic development of Meghalaya and the northeastern region in general. So I extend my sincere appreciation to the organizers, that is to the whole team of the DCIC, District Commerce Industries Nongpo, and also the DPIIT who are present today, and all the participants and investors for the commitment to make this workshop.
Ka Office u District Sports Officer Ribhoy District haka step arpusau tarik Jylliew kala penlong ya kajing ya rally ka basan kilometer daki bicycle naga bentaki Samla kenthei bat shenrang ban penpriang ya ka Khubor ban Yale persya ya kijing di bat kijing bam penbuat. Kani karali kelas dang na saiden bat penkut hanong po, hakabaki samla na kishnong bat kikdong paper kanong ba nong po, kilawan ban shimbentalang krui rui. Uba Bobby L. Nongbet District Sports Officer Ribhoy ula shimbenta da kajing shongshit ban ai man sim yakini ki samla. Kakong Rida Shisha Lendem, Senior Coach Naka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Meghalaya, kalakawe ya kalama sedang jong kani karali. Hadian karali, lapenlong ya ke program balengkot hakmat kanong po shopping complex, hakaba lapen syai pat baru halor kajing temu jong kani kajing rakhi bat halor kajing trelang kita nak sorkar paper ban rating kong ya kajing di rock bat jing bam penbuat ki bakta ya kakwat kakia jong ki pat ba. Hakani ke program Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoy Dr. Abhishek Saini ulalong ukongsan kat baka kong NF Sun District Social Welfare Officer Uj Rabha DSP Traffic Ribhoy kakong Rida Lendem Senior Coach Naka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs Shillong lembat ki he officer kila pashat ya ki sembo perkhat jengki halor ka jingma jengki drok par ki de ki jingdi penbuat. Kani ke cycling rally kalalong ka way na kilat ban penpriang ya ka jing hikai pat ba ban penslur ya ki samla ban jet ya ka jing em ka bakwat pakhya ban kentat ya ki jing mlien ki basniu.
Relation to the office for this occasion. At the same time, I want to mention, sir, that your presence
Nak kajingmi syakmat UMDC ke Shilla constituency ba bariku parsen rem ban panding syai halor kajing karoi ki trading license ha Jylla ha jaka dai pet bat kmi ka KHEDC kam tam lele hadin bala pendu no ka trading license ya ka blinkit ha fire brigade nong thamai ka bala penya da ka online ha ka ba ula keno bala mi bujli penban da ka bar bat restaurant ha ka te ka jaka Habapan Shai halor kani kapang hakilat patai Khubor u Chief Executive Member ka KHEDC ba Winston Tony Lingdo ulaong hakisnem ki ba menshwa ki isi barem haka shisnem ki aya ka trading license amduna ya ka arspa teli Hendrai dai hakani ka isi ba menta balaya lam da ka VPP la penduna nadu kasnam hajar arkusan barla ay tang khandai po khandai teli menta usnem kajing ay kadang ya tang lai po teli kataru tang ya ki batre kontrak kom ha Airports Authority of India bat ha ki we ki kam ki bawan nabar lengba ka gem portal Nalor kata ulaong kajing keno bala pendu ya ka blinkit hendrai la penmi bujli da ka bar bat restaurant u CM ulaong Nadu mencem snem la kangno eka blinkit. Ulaong kajing kangno eka blinkit kadai hadin bagi dekot jaka groceries kila wan ban ya kendu ya bat kila pan pau ya kajing smokia. Lada aila eka blinkit palat saw hajar kidukan jong kitrai Jylla kin hap ban kangno nadu kidukan dejur, dukan deso, dukan dedo pat kiwe ki jajing di.
Egalom ni mo swa bangan poi siya kata kaphang ba pikili mapi hakatu sngi hapo ka session ila persyang manwanra ya kani ka bill ka bayday bat kani ka trading by non tribal amendment regulation bill 2026 ya kani bele bengi kwa manwanra ya kani ka bill kalong ba haki session ki bla adapt ni gajing ya kren gajing ya debate gajungi ka bayday bat ka labor department ti hadin ka tu gajing ya kren gajungi ngal ale kendu deputy CM jong ka ibapet ya ka DCA ba prestun tamsong Ti hadin ke jinga keren ke jonga bi ba prestun tin song ba hadin bang lap ru ba kani ke ju ke bil ke don hapo Jylliew Hills Autonomous District Council ru ti ai jing mut ya ke isi ke jongi balada ngila ban le da ke ju ke bale apo Jylliew Hills ban lat ke kunrum kenram nani ban lat ke jinga tengku bat ke labor department jong ka state ibar kawai ti na kaliang jong ke isi ke jongi ru ngila ye syong ngila betha ya ki officers ke jongi ban ra ya kawai ka bil khnang bangin yo bangin te lakam ya kejinglat pathar ke jongka jongki non tribals ki bawan hang ni dikindiat na supen syai pi ngamla bangan batai close by close ya kabil hang ni ndai kindiat ngamang syukwa ban batai pi kalong bakrang bakin kipat ba nong song jugi kin smuthu kani ka trading by non tribal amendment regulation bill ke bangi wanra bangi kadai be tik ge non tribal employee service license kata ka bomot balai bangi shim ya kani ka non tribal employee service license Kamshim la tau ya ki nong trei bar Jylla ki beladon haki office. Kani ka keren bet ya ki unorganized sectors. Abang ong unorganized sectors kadai ba kini ki beriu ki buan trei sini kum ki nong trei. No kum ki nong bela. Ya kini kim siu professional tax u kim siu. Hendai ki syuan trei hang ni apo state ki jogi ta da ka basiu apo ka labor department. Tina kaliang jong ka district council ke ba kani ka long ka ka babu apa ka jima. Ya ke jingwan rum pathar jung kini ki non tribal sakani ka ri ka ba ye ki jungi de halor itai nong rim bangibu ikini ka non tribal employee service license ka bomot ki nong aikam ki bonra ya ki nong trei nabar ki badai ki unorganized sectors kin siu ya kani ka non tribal employee service license ti kini ngila pan bahas susu le si dah kawai ka pol na sala ban pensyai susu ipi ki gur kom trikam jong kani ka bil nda ya ka ba menta tang wa pin smuthu ya ka jingmut ke jungi bingi wan ra kani kadai be tik tang ya ki unorganized sectors but kadai be ya ki tu ki nong wan ra kam nadu ki tribal nani ki non tribal ki wan ra ki nong trei ki banabar kenaba ki hab ban siu ya kani ka non tribal employee service license ti ka ba ar ber ke jingkeli ke jong pi ka ba pi keli pi hakabai dai ngai i we nai dekat jong kai yeng nani MDC nang tina po Shilla ibu ka jingkeli ba kani ka isi ka ai pathar palat ya ka ki license ngadon bat nga ka list ka comparative statement kini kisnem lalek no nadu usnem arjar arhui arpuar kat kum ka list ka bangalai ki trading license hak system empalat ya ka arspa tam hausnem arla artula arsauru arspa tam Ndai nadu buan shim
Kinoyalam Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA kilapan bena ban penlong biang sa shisin ya kamaret thong sora 5th sora marathon 8,000 riu kabajngai 4 kilometer haka sau tarik nailur. Kajing pediang kerteng kanlong nadu ka shi tarik naitung hadu khatsan tarik nailar 8,000 riu. Hakane kamaret thong ensha tang khatwei hajar ngut kinong mare hakithup berta paper. Ubaksan warjri ulapan bena Shillong Press Club haka arpusau tarik Jylliew ya tarik ban pediang ya ki kerteng bat ya tarik ban penkut ya kajing pediang kerteng. Kitu ki Samla ki kena arit ki long kemi long kpa bat ki temen ki kro ki bakwa ban shimbenta hakane kamaret thong kin penrung kerteng yala de rengkat ka bairung lengba ka website jongka MSOA. Kumta ubaksan warjri ula kentu ya ki rang bat ki thei eksa banempen slam ban penrung kerteng yalade namar kajingya keni kan long kabajur hadu kata-kata. Ula betharu ban pulis sani jai ki kendon ke biadai bat kani kamaret thong sora 8,000 riu. Ka MSOA kalapen kre ya ka sopti pengat mat t-shirt bat ki jing betha basai kedar ban sam haki nong mare nadu ka shitarik hadu lai tarik unai lur 8,000 riu. Udidi Shira, Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, ulapan penaru baka sorkar Meghalaya kala ai ka jingkershan bas kem bat batikna yakani kamaret thong. Kiwei pat ki kenhun ki bakershan ki long ka Meghalaya Athletics Association bat ka Athletics Federation of India. Katba nang telun kisnem ka sora international 21 km marathon kala nang keu kan nam bat slem shu kan long ka wei na ki marathon bapau nam jong kari India la kermen bat angnud kinong penyat ka MSOA.
And we also have Sam Khuborjylla, the treasurer of Meghalaya State Olympic Association. So as you're aware, including this run is being organized with 3 stakeholders, that is MSOA, Meghalaya Athletics Association and DSYA with their support. And this is the 5th edition of the Sora International Half Marathon 2026. We are very happy and grateful to the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs for their strong support in continuing to support this very important event. As we all know that the sports, the half marathon, Sora International Half Marathon has been growing from year to year, and a lot of local participation is happening. So in this context, and as we go along, we keep learning, from every event we keep learning. So in this context, I'd like to request for our director comments. I would now request our General Secretary of Meghalaya to give a detail on the details of the 4th September, the date which is set for the 5th Sora International Half Marathon 2026, which is 21 km. So, can you say a few words on this?
From the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, we are very delighted to support and assist MSOA and Meghalaya Athletic Association in organizing the 5th Sora International Marathon successfully. We are very eager and looking forward for the grand and exciting and prestigious events in the state. This time we are expecting even more participation from outside the country and from the elite runners, because the course will also be certified by a world body called AIMS. So we're really looking forward for more participation from the best runners in the country. So we're ready to support and assist in whatever way we can. For the expenditure also, fund has already been earmarked. Last year, the expenditure was approximately 3 crores. So.
Badak itu gi Khubor ngelapoi syakabakut terhadap bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.